Everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session, we are going to discuss a new topic, that is how to find volume of combination of solids. In the previous sessions, Sudevi ma'am have discussed how to find surface area of solids made up of combination of basic solids. Okay, we shall see how to find their volumes. Of surface area, we can't add the surface areas of two constituent solids. In the case of volumes, we should add the volumes of the constituent solids. That is the main difference between the surface area and the volume of the combination of solids. So let us discuss exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2. Question number 1. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. That means we don't give the value of pi. Okay, because here we have to find the volume in terms of pi itself. This is the figure for the question. According to the question, a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. Okay, so with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter means radius of this cone, base radius of the cone is equal 1 centimeter and the radius of the hemisphere, this length, radius of the hemisphere, this is also 1 centimeter. Okay, so here radii, both the radii are equal to 1 centimeter means this is 1 centimeter, this radius is also 1 centimeter. Okay, then it is already given that height of the cone is equal to its radius. That means this height is also equal to 1 centimeter, right? This height is 1 centimeter, this radius is 1 centimeter, this radius of the base of the cone is also 1 centimeter. Then here we have to find the volume of this solid in terms of pi. So no need to give the value of pi. Okay, so here what is the volume of this solid? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, right? This is the volume of the solid. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. What is the equation for finding volume of cone? That is pi 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? Then plus volume of hemisphere is equal what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here radius are same, common for this cone and hemisphere. That's why we use same term, same letter for the radius of these two. Okay, then here we can substitute the values. Before that we can take the common factor outside. Which are common? Pi is common, then this by 3 is common, right? Pi and this by 3 are common. Then one more thing is there, here r square, here r cube. No need to take that outside now, that we can take later. So here which is remain r square h plus here which is remain 2 r cube, right? Pi by 3 pi by 3 r square h plus 2 r cube. Now we can substitute the values. What is r? 1. So 1 square, height is also 1. Then plus 2 into 1 cube. So pi by 3 into 1 square into 1 is 1 itself, plus 2 into 1 cube is 1 cube is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. So pi by 3 into 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we can cut these 3. Then what will be the answer? Pi. So here the answer is pi centimeter cube. So the volume of the solid is pi centimeter cube. Here in the question it is given that find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. So no need to give the value of pi. Exercise 13.2, question number 2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with the two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminium sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Here it is given that assume the outer and inner dimensions of the model to be nearly the same. No need to bother about that because here we have to find the volume of the solid. Okay. This is the figure for the question. This is the model made by Rachel. That is the shape of the model like cylinder with the two cones attached at its two ends. So these are the two cones attached at two ends of this cylinder. Okay. Then here it is given that diameter of the model is 3 cm. That means diameter is common for cylinder and this cone. So diameter is common for cylinder and cone, that is given as 3 cm. So this is 3 cm. This is also 3 cm. Right. Then its length is 12 cm. That means the total length. This total length is given as what? 12 centimeter. It is 12 centimeter, right? Total length is 12 centimeter. That is also given. Then if each cone has a height 2 centimeter, that means this height is 2. This height is also 2 centimeter, right? So from here to here it is 2 centimeter. From here to here it is 2 centimeter. So what is remaining? That means the height of this cylinder will be what? 12 minus 2 plus 2. Right? So 12 minus 4 equal 8 centimeter. So this 8 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. Right? Height of the cone is 2 centimeter for this and for this too. Then height of the cylinder we have to find by subtracting 12 minus 2 plus 2, that is equal 8. Right? Then we can find the volume. That means here we have to find the volume of air contained in the model. That means we have to find the volume of this solid. For that what we should do? Volume of the solid should be equal volume of cylinder plus volume of cone into 2, right? Because these two cones are of equal measures. So when we find the volume of a cone, that we can multiply by 2. Then we will get the total volume of these two cones. Then we have to find volume of this cylinder. So here we have to find volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of a cone. Okay. Then what is the equation for finding the volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. That is pi r square h. Here diameter is common for these three solids. Cone, cylinder and this cone has same or common diameter. That is 3. Okay. 3 centimeter. So what is radius? 3 by 2. D by 2, that means 3 by 2. Then for cylinder height is 8 centimeter. So we can take it as capital H. Height of the cylinder we can use capital H, that is equal 8 centimeter, that we already find. Then height of the cone, it is given that 2 centimeter, so that we can use small letter, right? Then here volume of cylinder is pi r square capital H. Anyway you can mention. Okay, use different variables, that is easy for comparing, right? So pi r square h plus 2 into volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here we can use small h. Here small r, here also small r, because radius is common for both cylinder and cone. Then we can take the common factor outside first. So pi r square are common. Then here h plus 2h by 3. Right? Pi r square we took outside as common for the calculation be easy. Okay. Then pi r square into h plus 2h by 3. Then we can substitute the values of pi as 22 by 7. In this exercise it is given that use pi equal 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise. Here we can give pi as 22 by 7 into r we can give as 3 by 2. So r square means 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Then capital H is 8 cm plus 2 into small h is 2 cm. So 2 by 3. Right? Then we can simplify this. Here 11 times, here 1 time. Then no numbers can be divided. So 11 into 3 into 3 by 7 into 2. Then here 8 plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 by 3. Here we can do the cross multiplication, right? So 11 into 3 into 3 by 7 into 2 into 8 into 3, 24 plus 4 into 1. Here no number means it is 1. 4 by 1 into 3 is 3 itself. Then 11 into 3 into 3 by 7 into 2 into 24 plus 4 is 28 by 3. Now we can cut these two 3's and 7 and 28. 7 4's are 28 into 2 2's are 4. Then no denominator there. Then we can multiply 11 into 3 into 2. So that is equal 11 into 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 11 into 6 is 66. So what is the volume of this solid or volume of this model? That is 66 centimeter cube. So the volume of air contained in the model is equal 66 centimeter cube.